Beautiful rustic nature-inspired decor, creating a harmonious home. Introduction: Embracing nature in home decor. Welcome to Decor Lab, where we explore the enchanting world of rustic home design. In today's video, we delve into the captivating realm of nature-inspired decor and how it can create a harmonious atmosphere in your home. If you love the idea of infusing your living spaces with warmth, comfort, and a touch of the outdoors, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below as we embark on this journey to transform your home into a rustic oasis. The essence of rustic decor. Rustic decor is more than just a design trend, it's a celebration of the beauty found in nature. The essence of rustic style lies in its ability to evoke feelings of warmth and comfort. Natural materials such as wood, stone, and metal create a sense of authenticity, inviting the outdoors into your living space. When choosing elements for your rustic decor, consider incorporating reclaimed wood furniture, exposed beams, and stone accents. These materials tell a story and add character to your home, reflecting the beauty of nature in every detail. Color palettes inspired by nature. The colors we choose for our home can profoundly impact the overall ambience. Nature offers a stunning palette of hues that can enhance your rustic decor. Earthy tones like browns, greens, and soft grays evoke a sense of calm and connection to the natural world. Consider using these colors on your walls, furniture, and accessories to create a cohesive look. Adding splashes of vibrant colors inspired by wildflowers or autumn leaves can bring life to your spaces without overwhelming them. Pairing these colors with neutral Incorporating natural textures. Textures play a crucial role in achieving a rustic aesthetic. To create a harmonious home, focus on incorporating a variety of natural textures that reflect the outdoors. Soft wool blankets, burlap cushions, and woven baskets can add warmth and coziness to your living spaces. Layering different textures not only enhances visual interest but also invites tactile experiences. Think about adding stone accents, wooden decor, and metal elements to achieve a well-rounded look. These textural contrasts create a dynamic yet harmonious bringing the outdoors inside. One of the most effective ways to create a nature-inspired decor scheme is by bringing the outdoors inside. Indoor plants, flowers, and natural materials can enhance your home's connection to nature. Consider adding potted plants like ferns, succulents, or herbs to your kitchen. Fresh flowers in rustic vases can brighten up your living room and provide a sense of freshness. Additionally, using natural elements like driftwood or stones as decor pieces can reinforce this connection. By incorporating greenery and natural objects, you create a creating cozy outdoor spaces. Outdoor areas can also benefit from rustic nature-inspired decor. A cozy patio or garden nook can become an extension of your home, providing a peaceful retreat. Use natural materials like wooden furniture, stone pathways, and woven rugs to create inviting outdoor spaces. Consider adding decorative elements such as lanterns, hanging plants, or fire pits to enhance the atmosphere. These spaces not only offer a place to unwind but also foster connections with nature and loved ones. When designed thoughtfully, your art and decor inspired by nature. Art plays a vital role in expressing your personal style while enhancing the natural theme of your home. Choose artwork that reflects the beauty of nature, whether it's landscapes, botanical prints, or abstract pieces inspired by organic forms. Additionally, consider incorporating handmade crafts or local art that utilizes natural materials. This not only supports local artisans but also adds a unique touch to your decor. By thoughtfully selecting art and decor pieces, you can create a space that resonates with your love for nature, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your home. Sustainable choices for rustic decor. As we embrace nature-inspired decor, it's essential to consider sustainability. Opt for eco-friendly materials, such as reclaimed wood, recycled metals, and organic fabrics, to minimize your environmental impact. Supporting local artisans and businesses that prioritize sustainable practices can also contribute to a greener home. By making conscious choices in your decor, you not only create a beautiful space but also promote a lifestyle that respects and honors the earth. Embracing sustainability. Personalizing your space with nature-inspired decor. Your home should reflect your personality and values, and nature-inspired decor offers a fantastic way to do that. Personalize your space by incorporating items that resonate with your experiences in nature. Whether it's a piece of driftwood from your favorite beach or a painting that reminds you of a cherished hiking trail, these elements can infuse your home with meaningful stories. Consider creating a gallery wall showcasing your nature-inspired memories, or display cherished items in a rustic manner. By surrounding yourself with personal touches, Conclusion: cultivating a harmonious home with rustic nature-inspired decor. As we conclude our exploration of beautiful rustic nature-inspired decor, remember that creating a harmonious home is a journey that reflects your style and connection to the world around you. By embracing natural materials, colors, textures, and sustainable choices, you can transform your living spaces into a serene retreat. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate these ideas into your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below.